Hey guys, TEPCO Cycle Repair. I just wanted to show you something that goes on with these Foremans that will drive people crazy when you try to figure it out, and that's blowing the light fuse on it. So on this one here, this is a 2003 Honda Foreman TRX 450, and this fuse right here, this end fuse, which if you look at the box cover, it says light on it, okay? So if you look in there, it says light. So what happens is when you turn the key on, it instantly blows a fuse. Now, the problem with this four-wheeler is that the carburetor on it has a heater. So the carburetor has a heater, kind of like if you guys know diesels, you turn the key on and you let it warm up the glow plugs. It's similar to that. When you turn it on, it's supposed to help heat the carburetor up to help it from freezing when it gets really cold out. Most people are not going to need this in regular temperatures. If you're in really, really cold temperatures, you may need that, but most of the time you're not. So the way that you figure out if this is your problem is I have a multimeter set to continuity, so it'll give me a, this one gives me a tone for continuity. I have the negative side onto the ground side of the battery, the negative side of the battery. So if you touch that, you can hear it. So when I pull the fuse out, you touch it to both sides, and you should have one side that's dead, because that's going to all your accessories, and then the other side. Now this is the side that's going to be blowing your fuse, okay? So when that's hooked up, you can hear the beeping. We're going to come around to the other side. Carburetor heater wire coming out of the bottom comes to a plug right here. Let's pull that plug. Boom, it stops. Now when you turn the key on, you're not going to blow a fuse. You don't need this heater. You can just disconnect it like this, tuck it here. I would just wrap it up so he doesn't get any dirt and debris inside of there. Put a fuse back in there, turn the key on, and everything's going to be fine. This guy had a 25 in there. It's supposed to take a 15. He had a 25 amp, and the problem was every time he turned the headlights on, it would cause extra draw, and it would blow the fuse. So now here we are with the 15 amp in, key on, no problem. Fuse is good. We're good to go. I'm going to go take this out riding. Hopefully, guys, this helps you out. If you have that fuse blowing, check that first. Go down here and unplug this and see if the continuity to ground stops. Because with that continuity to ground, it's just going to blow the fuse out instantly. Please hit the like button, guys. Subscribe. Hit the bell for further notifications, guys. Until next time, this is TEPCO Cycle Repair.